Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name is Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to use time-lapse video with the iPhone 13 Pro. First, open up the camera app, and now swipe over the whole way to the left until you get to time-lapse. And now you're going to want to hit the capture button, and it will start taking the time-lapse. Try to keep your camera as stabilized as possible as you're taking this, and I'll go ahead and speed this video up. And now that it's done, we can take a look at that video and see that it is a stabilized time-lapse video. And that is how you take a time-lapse video with the iPhone 13 Pro.